Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwad and Merry Christmas. We just pulled the Christmas tree up from the basement, and from here up, the lights weren't working. Did you know that a single bulb can ruin your whole Christmas tree? I'm going to show you how to find out which one it is and how to fix it. So they sell a bunch of tools like this that are power detectors, and they sell the Lightkeeper Pro, which is a great tool because it can help save you some steps here. But I'm going to show you quickly why I don't use these. Even when this whole light strand was out, every light was still getting power. So these light strands have two different wires. One of the wires is carrying the power from bulb to bulb, and the other one's called a traveling wire, so it runs the full length of the light strand, and it carries power all the way to the end, from the beginning to the end. So you could have power in your traveling wire, which is going to set those little sensors off, but not have power bulb to bulb. And the power bulb to bulb is supplied by the bulb itself. So all bulbs typically have a green, brown, or white stem on them right here that plugs into the light socket, but they're all different sizes and shapes. So this is what the bulb actually looks like without that. You can pull this bulb out of this sleeve because the little wires are just wrapped around the end here, and this is what you're left with. So the way this works is the power comes in on one of these lines, goes up here to the filament that connects these two lines here, and then goes out to the other bulbs. This glass ball here, sometimes they're metal, is called a shunt. And what that's supposed to do is if this filament breaks or blows, as you can tell by this gray band right here, this is supposed to help continue that power still flowing through this bulb. But a lot of times those are defective. The Lightkeeper Pro, when you click it, it's sending a high enough voltage through here that it's supposed to try to repair this shunt. I don't know how well it works on the glass ones. I know it works well on the metal ones, but it tries to repair that connection. And instead of trying to find a replacement that may have come with the tree that matches exactly with the base, I buy these. I have these labeled with a 2.5 because these are a 2.5 watt bulb, and I can find that out by looking at the plug on the light strand. It'll say it on the very end. So you can buy these in bulk on Amazon. I'll make sure I provide a link for you. And then all you have to do is pull this bulb out. It just slides right out. You can see the wires, the long wires are wrapped outside this end piece here. And you simply pull it out of this green piece and you slide your new bulb in, you bend your wires back up and you replace it. So the way I fixed this tree is I went around to the bulbs. There were a lot in this section right here that were blown. So I went around and found the ones by putting my hand or a white piece of paper behind it that had that gray line. Once I replaced the third blown bulb, it started working. And that indicated to me that the shunt in that particular bulb was broken. And the shunt is that piece that sits between the wires that allows the power to travel through even though the bulb is blown. So once I replaced that bulb, they all lit up, but I didn't stop there. I went through and replaced every dead bulb that I could find, because every time a bulb dies, it means more power is going to the bulbs around it, which is going to make them blow sooner. So anytime you see a bulb that is blown on your tree, wreath, reindeer, whatever you have, go ahead and replace it as soon as it blows, and the rest of your bulbs will last much longer. I hope this helps, and y'all have a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.